Oh my god! Look, because first, okay. Oh, you know, look, the Four Seasons Town, I make it spring to winter. So first spring, and then still spring, summer, still summer, autumn, then still autumn, and then winter. When we finish, we leave the Four Seasons Town. Oh my god! It's Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. Twinkle Twinkle Little Star, how I wonder why you are. Run away, guys! Run for your life!
Hello, boss.
What the hell?
How are you?
Eat! Oh my god! My sexy guy and my blue guy like to fall down because I got modified by the Wow guys, it's already back the morning. Happy New Year! In Four Seasons Town, we come 1 to 7 nights. So Happy New Year! Oh, sorry. So bye bye, friends.